Hi, Tom. I've been thinking about learning English, but I don't know where to start. Any tips?
Hey Emma, that's great you want to learn English. To begin, start with the basics. Learn the alphabet and common greetings like hello and goodbye.
Okay, sounds simple enough. What's next?
Well, try to focus on everyday vocabulary. Learn words for things you use daily, like food, clothes, and family. It'll help you in practical situations.
Got it. But what about grammar? It seems a bit confusing.
No worries. Start with basic sentence structures. Learn simple present tense like I eat or she reads. Once you're comfortable, you can explore more complex grammar rules.
That makes sense. How about practicing speaking?
Good idea. Speak as much as you can. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's a natural part of learning. You could find a language exchange partner or use language apps for practice.
Speaking of apps, any recommendations?
Sure. Duolingo and Babbel are great for beginners. They make learning fun and interactive.
Perfect. I'll give them a try. What about reading and listening?
Start with simple books and children's stories. For listening, watch movies or listen to songs with lyrics. It'll help you get used to the language rhythm.
I'll add that to my list. Lastly, how can I stay motivated?
Set realistic goals and celebrate small achievements. Also, surround yourself with English content like movies or books. It keeps you motivated and engaged.
Thanks, Tom. These tips are really helpful. I'm excited to start my English learning journey.
You're welcome, Emma. Enjoy the process and don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions along the way. Good luck.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hi, Alex. How are you doing today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great too. You know, I was thinking about something important.
Oh, what's on your mind?
I feel like I need to speak English to have a better future. What do you think?
I totally agree, Sarah. English is like a key that opens many doors.
Exactly. I see it everywhere, in job ads, on the internet, and even when talking to people from different countries.
Yeah, and it's not just about work. It helps when you travel too. I remember when I went on vacation and English was really handy.
Oh, that's true. I want to travel someday too. So where do we start?
Well, we can start by practicing together. Maybe join a language class or use language learning apps.
That sounds like a good plan. I think practicing with someone will make it more fun.
Absolutely. And don't worry about making mistakes. That's how we learn.
You're right. I shouldn't be afraid to try. Let's help each other on this English journey.
Definitely, Sarah. Together, we'll get better and open those doors for a brighter future.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hi, Jake. How's it going?
Hey, Emily. I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking about something.
What's on your mind?
Well, I've noticed that I make a lot of mistakes when I speak English. It's a bit frustrating.
Oh, don't worry about it, Jake. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Yeah, but I feel like it slows me down and makes me less confident.
I get it. But you know what? Mistakes are a normal part of learning. They help us get better.
Really? You think so?
Absolutely. I used to make a ton of mistakes too. But each mistake is a step towards improvement.
That's true. I just don't want people to laugh at me when I talk.
I understand, Jake. But most people are understanding and appreciate the effort. Maybe we can practice together.
That sounds like a good idea, Emily. What do you suggest?
How about we pick a topic and have a casual conversation? We can correct each other gently.
Sounds great. I appreciate your support, Emily.
Of course, Jake. We're both learning, and it's okay to stumble along the way. Let's help each other improve.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hi, Ethan. How are you doing?
Hey, Sophia. I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking about something important.
What's on your mind?
Well, I want to improve my English listening skills. Sometimes it's hard for me to understand everything.
I understand, Ethan. Listening can be tricky, but the good news is there are many ways to get better.
Really? What do you suggest?
You can try listening to simple English podcasts or watch easy videos. It's a fun way to practice.
I'm afraid I won't catch everything they say.
Don't worry about understanding every word. Start with topics you like and gradually you'll get better. Also, try to listen every day, even if it's just for a short time.
That sounds doable. How did you improve your listening skills?
I did the same, Ethan. I also watched movies with English subtitles. It helps connect words with their meanings.
I'll give it a try. Thanks for the advice, Sophia.
You're welcome, Ethan. Remember, it's all about practice and patience. We can even practice together sometime.
That sounds great, Sophia. Let's do it.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hi, Liam. How are you today?
Hey, Mia. I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking about something.
What's on your mind?
Well, I can understand English quite well, you know? But when it comes to speaking, I get a bit stuck.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, Liam. Speaking can be tricky, but you're not alone. Many people feel the same way.
It's just frustrating. I want to talk, but the words don't come out right.
I totally get it. Practice makes perfect, they say. Maybe we can practice together.
That sounds nice, Mia. But what if I make mistakes?
Making mistakes is okay. It's a part of learning. We can start with simple sentences and go from there. No pressure.
All right, Mia. Let's give it a try.
Great. We can pick a topic and take turns talking. It's all about building confidence.
Thanks for understanding, Mia. I appreciate your support.
Of course, Liam. We're both learning, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Let's encourage each other.